As the year comes to a close and we start to prepare for the new year, most of us are thinking about what we'd like that new year to look like. What we want our lives to look like, how we want to make it even better. And we may focus on one or two areas, but what if we made our lives better across the board? That's why I created the program Tap Into Your Best Life. It's a 12-week program that covers all kinds of different areas of life, like your health, your finances, your relationships, your career. And it takes you through tapping exercises and workbooks to clear out limiting beliefs and cultivate more empowering ones about who you are and what you're capable of. To make it even more powerful, starting January 8th, I'm going to be running Tap Into Your Best Life Live. 12 weeks of live sessions where we gather together to tap together, to cover things that might have come up during the self-guided course and go even further. So it's very powerful tapping as a group, and it also creates accountability so that it doesn't become another program that you get partway through and leave behind. There's that group pulling you forward and supporting you, and you're supporting them, and it's really powerful and awesome, so I hope you'll join me for that. And also this year I'm going to be doing something new, taking my 5-week Tap Into Your Best Self course and doing a live series on that as well. So 5 weeks of live sessions of cultivating self-love, self-compassion, self-forgiveness to really boost your self-esteem, recognize how awesome you are. And, that helps you create a much more awesome life. And you deserve that. So I hope you'll join me for Tap Into Your Best Life Live, as well as Tap Into Your Best Self Live. And start this year in a really powerful way so that you create the life that you deserve. And that'll benefit countless others as well. So thanks for doing that.